Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. I want to show you this 2015 Sea Ray 470 Sundancer that we have just listed on brokerage. Right now, the boat's currently up at Lake Texoma at Highport Marina. I'll be glad to show it to you. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Right now, I'm standing in the cockpit of the boat, and there's a lot of seating. We just added sea deck onto the swim platform and all into the cockpit. You see it also has the sure shade that comes out to the back, so you get a lot of shade when you're standing out here on a bright day like today. There's also the Kenya grill we're used to. Got a cockpit sink and great storage compartment here. Easy access to the bow from either sides. Let's walk up into the Salon. As you can see, I got all the doors slid open, so it really connects the cockpit to the Salon area. So a lot of seating in here. There's 2 AC units just in this area. If you do want to close off the doors, put the sunshades on the glass. Right now I got this open, but you can leave it closed. If you want natural light, open up the skylight if you want it. Popped up TVs right here, good storage below, great seating. More seating up here at the helm, so the captain's just not by himself. Take a look at the helm real quick. He does have a radar on it. He's got night vision on it, FLIR. It is the Zeus joystick with all the options on that for sky hook and easy control around the docks. Great design, and a lot of seating up here for the captain too during the day. All this cockpit upholstery was placed under by Sea Ray warranty in 2020, so you got fresh vinyl here in the cockpit. Really nice, really cool design they did. This is what I call a fun zone. I call this the family zone down here because it's got a private seating area and a galley, so at night you're not up here with all the glass and windows. You're down here, a little bit of privacy. They did leave the top open so you get a lot of natural light down here, but you got another table, another seating area downstairs, which is great, and really galleys downstairs. There's a little refrigerator drawer upstairs, but you got a big fridge here. Let's step forward. This is going to be your VIP room. One side we're going to have the sink in the head. The other one's going to be a full shower, so I like how they separate it. And I'll let you go up there and take a look at that center line bed. Easy to get on from either side. Great storage. Great room for your favorite guest. Tons of cabinets, big fridge, separate freezer on it. We really like it. Storage everywhere. Let's step back in here. This is going to be the owner suite. So they got on private door and a wall. And then they're going to have a bigger bed in the back. Really nice area, TV, little place to sit down here. Great room, separate air conditioner controllers in each room, which is really nice. Then you're going to have your own private sink, tons of storage, and then the head and shower. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. If you want to see this brokerage boat or any of the other ones I have listed, please give me a call at 214-244-5535. Thank you.